Your morning decides your focus, but your evening decides your sleep, and your sleep decides tomorrow. Here is the Stoic shutdown ritual, because most of us never actually end the day. We scroll in bed, replay conversations, worry about tomorrow, and call that rest. You fall asleep anxious, wake up just as tired, and the days blur into each other. Tonight, we end the day on purpose. The Stoics believed a good day ends as deliberately as it begins. Just as Marcus wrote each morning, the Stoics closed the day on purpose. Seneca had a nightly habit he never skipped. Every evening he put the day on trial, gently, before his own mind. When the light is put out, he wrote, "I examine my entire day." He asked, "What did I do well? What could I have done better? What can I let go?" Those few minutes turned each day into a lesson instead of a blur, and they let him sleep with a quiet mind. Step 1. End the day on purpose, starting with the phone. The last thing you feed your mind at night sets the tone for your sleep. Scroll until you pass out, and your brain marinates in noise all night. Give the last 30 minutes back to yourself, screen-free. Dim the lights. Let the day actually come to a close. Step 2. Replay the day, like Seneca, as an honest review. Not to punish yourself, but to learn, the way a good coach reviews the game. Walk through it, the morning, the work, the people, the choices. Where did you act like the person you want to be? Where did you fall short, impatient, lazy, or unkind? And what will you simply do differently tomorrow? 3 honest questions, and the day stops being a blur and becomes a teacher. Step 3. Judge the day fairly, firm but kind. Seneca examined himself like a calm judge, never a cruel one. Note the mistake, take the lesson, then set down the guilt. You are allowed to be a work in progress and praise what you did well too. Most of us forget that part. Step 4. Let go of everything now finished and out of your hands. The day is over. Nothing you replay can change a single second of it. The Stoics drew a hard line between what's done and what's still yours. What's done belongs to the past. Your peace tonight is still yours. Picture setting the whole day down, like a heavy bag, at the door. You don't have to carry it into your sleep. Step 5. Name a few good things from the day. However hard it was, some small thing went right. A warm meal, a kind word, the simple fact that you made it through. Gratitude is how the Stoics turned an ordinary day into enough. End on what you had, not on what you lacked. Step 6. Set tomorrow up before you sleep. Decide the one thing that would make tomorrow a good day. Marcus rehearsed the day ahead. You can plant a single intention, lay out what you need so the morning meets you ready. A calm tonight is the first gift you give your morning self. Step 7. Make peace with the day exactly as it was. The Stoics practiced amor fati, loving your fate, not merely enduring it. Today happened the way it happened, fighting that only steals your sleep. Accept it fully, the good and the bad, and the mind goes quiet. Sleep itself is a small rehearsal for letting go. None of this takes long. 10 quiet minutes can close a day. Phone down, review honestly, judge kindly, let it go. Be grateful, set tomorrow, make peace, then rest. It's less a checklist than a way of putting the day to bed. You stop dragging today into tomorrow and start sleeping clean. Here's why it works so well. An unprocessed day doesn't disappear. It runs in the background all night. That's the racing mind, the 3 a.m. replay, the restless sleep. The review gives the day somewhere to go, so your mind can finally rest. It's like closing the tabs your brain left open all day. You wake up lighter, because you actually finished yesterday. And it completes the circle the morning routine started. Morning, decide who you'll be. Evening, see how it went and let it go. Win the morning, close the night, and the messy middle takes care of itself. The Stoics didn't manage time, they closed each day completely. But the modern night fights you, just like the modern morning. The feed wants your last waking minutes as much as your first. Reclaiming the end of the day is, again, a quiet act of self-respect. Trade the endless scroll for a quiet mind. The quiet always wins. So let's make it doable. 3 moves for tonight. 1. No phone for the last 30 minutes before sleep. 2. Ask 3 questions. What went well, what didn't, and what's the one lesson? 3. Name one thing you're grateful for, then picture setting the day down. That's it. No app, no tracker. Just a mind that's finished the day. Tonight, don't let the day spill into your sleep. Close it. If this helped, subscribe. A new piece of Stoic philosophy for real life every week. Try it for 3 nights and notice how much quieter your mind gets. And watch this next. Amor fati, the Stoic art of loving whatever happens. Ancient wisdom, modern edge.